make big sparks, blow up, or she's going to try and turn over.
Either way, it would be entertaining.
Okay, what I'm going to do, I have 2 bolts. I'm going to take the screwdriver and smack them between the 2 bolts. The switch I need you to buy me
Yeah.
has an alligator clip to go on each bolt. You push the button and it does it.
Oh, okay. It sounds sparky too. The dog
Okay.
is so confused.
That's the starter turning.
Woo! It works. And kind of sparky. And stinky.
Oh, Jess.
It's 60 years old.
Do you have gas?
Nope.
He turns over somewhat.
She's trying to. And it only took it 90 seconds.
Just make sure you put in there, and Daddy didn't wind up on his butt.
Yeah.
Okay. To save Daddy from trashing his tools,
Yeah.
we get that starting switch.
On that tire, or?
No, PB
No, I did.
blaster.
We were having so much fun, I wasn't running into P.
Oh, okay.
But he ran back like 4
May.
times to get tools.
May have a fast on. I'm going to add fire.
Fun! So we'll either start it or it'll set on fire.
Okay, now.
That stuff smells nasty.
Hold my hand in there around these hoses.
Ah.
Come on. Come on.
That poor battery may not have enough left.
Getting her to turn over might have killed Mom's battery.
Well, we put it in hers real quick and hit it. Okay.
I think we killed the battery. Success, we killed the battery.
No, but what I'll do is I'll charge it.
Okay, easy fix.
Yep. Let's see how it's burning up my...
Oh yeah, that's not good.
But, okay, we need a fresh battery. You're going live with gas.
Okay,
You have fuel.
okay, turn it.
Yep. Go. You got fuel again.
Okay.
No. Turn off. Hit it again.
Stop.
Okay.
I think we pissed off the dog.
You now have fuel.
Yay, fuel. And it smells terrible.
Not as bad as it could, Jess.
That's true. At least this is fresh gas.
Okay, go.
It might be slightly more than a potato motor.
Okay, Jess, what do you think? Is it starting?
Yeah. Pretty decently, actually.
Okay, you got the last of the gas.
Okay.
Oh, really? You had to come over and pee with us.
Of course he did, because he's Cherokee.
Okay, Jess.
Yep, we have a starting motor and a pissed off dog.
Hey, Mayor,
Yes.
I'm just pouring gas.
It sound.
I saw Cherokee on that one.
No, you haven't figured that out?
What?
I'm just pouring gas in the carburetor. Key works.
It does.
See, I thought that you had the switch.
It doesn't come
Which
till
doesn't come till
tomorrow.
Yesterday, today, tomorrow.
They're all the same to you.
The key works. Oh.
Yep, we figured that out about 5 minutes ago. It does the potato thing.
It actually.
And I pissed off your dog. Woo!
And it actually sounds.
Okay, not quite sure where we're at there.
Nope, but it gets to the carburetor but doesn't go through it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I may have added a vacuum leak because we weren't backfiring yesterday.
Okay, that's what that kerplunk noise is.
Yeah, we're backfiring.
Well, that's not a good thing. It's a thing.
It's a thing.
Well, it didn't sound like it backfired that time.
Yeah.
Okay, I wasn't hearing the kerplunk, so
Yeah. I'm getting gas up there, but
no farther.
the carb isn't exactly working. Wires aren't hot today. That's a good thing.
That's always a good thing, but they were only hot the first day, weren't they?
Yeah.
Still not getting to the carb, or?
I do not know.
I saw smoke on that one. I'm guessing that was exhaust.
I'm not quite sure why all of a sudden we're, unless I'm trying, well, I don't know.
I saw smoke come out of the engine bay. That rumble, though.
We got a little bit more working than normal.
Yeah, stuff went out the exhaust pipe this time.
Yeah.
And it smells like gasoline, so we must be doing something right.
And I've got an awful lot of gasoline coming out of this carburetor.
That might not be such a good thing.
So the good thing is we know we're starting to get gas in it.
Yeah,
Now I got to get it to spray down the jets.
yeah. How do we do that?
Just playing with it like this.
Ah,
Yeah, nothing fancy.
attach an alternator to it, just to see what it does.
You got it.
That screw or bolt sounds like it has been sitting for 10 years. PB blast the engine.
No, it's a bolt right there.
Oh,
Looks to be all half.
okay, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Is this trip number 1 to the garage?
No,
Cool.
we have this stuff out here.
Ah,
Like I said, we brought all the commons out
yeah,
that we would probably need.
okay. Because even back in 1975, these existed.
Okay, this one turns.
Cool.
Yeah, it is. Makes it a lot easier.
True. Which alternator are we using?
The smallest of them.
Okay.
What I got to do now is kind of looky and see.
Yeah, I have your other bolt over here.
Yeah,
What is it?
I can't tell at this moment.
Okay. Perk of having a flat fender. If you knock something, there's less of a chance it's going to fall.
You got it. Okay, that's just tough on Daddy.
Well, yeah, you're hanging over the side of a flat fender, upside down, with bad shoulders. Down goes the wrench again.
How long's that bolt you got? I think we're gonna use that bolt.
Maybe a half inch?
Yeah, this one's just.
I don't know how much reach you got, but I'm stuck in a ditch.
Yeah, I'm just having
A heck of a time.
so much issue with this bed. It's leaking at the oil pan.
Yeah.
You know, I mean.
Catch 22s for everything.
Yep. Okay, not good,
Yeah.
but it's on there.
Okay.
I've got no ability to move it much. Okay, so again, we're further than we thought.
Yeah. At least now we know we get oil to the engine.
Yeah, we know the oil's moving in the engine.
Might not be being caught, but it gets there.
We have something to work with on an alternator.
Yep.
I can't tell if the bracket's upside down, if that'll help alignment, and it's
Yeah.
too hard for me to work
Upside down and backwards.
with somebody not helping hold.
Yeah.
And there's not a lot of room right there, so I'm good with that.
Yeah. I call it a success. It turned over again.
Yeah. What we got going on with the carb, I'm not sure.
Okay.
The engine fires up.
Yeah.
We'll check, see what's out there for a 1-barrel carburetor.
Okay.